Hello, my dear student. You are watching my YouTube channel. Today, I'll discuss another topic that is homogeneous function. Okay, belongs to the topic function of several variables and partial derivative. The homogeneous function. Now, try to understand the definition. A function. Please write down a function. A function fxy. A function fxy is said to be homogeneous. Homogeneous. Homogeneous of degree n. If degree n, if it can be expressed, it can be expressed as f of t into x tx ty, f of tx ty is equals to t to the power n f of xy. For every for 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 every positive value of t. So this is the formula. Any function can be expressed into this form, then it is this, then fxy is called a homogeneous function of degree n, okay. So this is the definition. Okay, another form, if you consult different types of writers book, there may be a chance to see another form. So please write down another form. Okay, so same, a function fxy is said to be a homogeneous function of degree n if can be expressed in following two forms. That is, number one is f of xy is equals to x to the power n phi of y by x. If you can express like this, or another form you have fxy is equals to y to the power n psi of x by y. Okay, if it is possible to express into this form, then only you can find it. Then you can say the function fxy is a homogeneous function of degree n. So how to decide n from here? So here you have, just you can check if you can write here. So the power of t is defined the degree of n. Similarly, from here, x to the power n, this n is defined the degree of homogeneous function. Similarly, in this expression also, y to the power n, then y will be, x will be, n will be the degree of that homogeneous function. Now I'm going to discuss with some numerical example. Try to understand whether it is homogeneous or not. Okay, now try to understand. Shall I move to the next? Is it clear? Anyone you can remember, you can use. It will better. Next. Now try to understand with some numerical example. Okay. Now Now example. Please write down example. So here we have considered f xy is equals to x cube plus y cube. So now try to understand with some example tired. If I can write like this, it will better for you. Okay. Type 1, type 2 and type 3. Clear? Now listen carefully. So this is your function. First you write down t f tx ty. What does it mean? You replace x by tx. That means from here you may write tx to the power cube plus ty to the power cube. Please don't write suffix. Basically t into x. And please don't write tx. Please, it is wrong. It is correct. So from here you may write t cube is common. So it is coming x cube plus y cube. Then it is coming how much? Tq f of xy. Okay. So from here, therefore fxy is a homogeneous function of degree how much? Degree how much? 3. How to decide that? From here, the power. Okay, power of t here. What is the power of t? 3. So that's why I'm writing degree 3. Is it clear? Now try to understand with second type. Same question, try to understand with second type. So now, okay, what about the second type? If I can write here, what about the second type? If it is possible to express into this form, fxy is equals to x to the power n phi of y by x. So you have to express y by x type. Okay. So now f of xy is equals to, you have x cube plus y cube. You take common x to the power full x cube common. So if you write, then it is coming 1 plus y cube by x cube. So it means x to the power cube, 1 plus y by x whole to the power cube. So from here it is clear, one can be expressed y by x whole to the power cube. Okay, so just you have to take x common, full x common, then you can write down x cube is equals to some function of phi y by x. So that means fxy you have expressed like this. So here you may write down, so fxy is a homogeneous function of degree 3. Clear? So this is also another approach. Okay. So third one is same, you check. Third one is fxy is equals to x to the power y to the power n. Yes, y to the power n and psi of x by y. Okay, so you need to express like this. So now write down f of xy. So basically there are two terms you have. There may be a chance to see more than one, two term, three term, four term. Then what you do, if you want to use this formula, so you need to take highest power of x common. So same thing is here. If you want to use this form, So in that situation, you need to take highest power of y term. Okay, highest power of y. Highest power of y. In case of this, highest power of x term you need to take common. Same thing is here, x cube plus y cube. So here one term is here, that is y cube. So you need to take common y cube. So y cube is here, x cube by y cube plus 1. Same way you may write y cube is equals to x by y whole to the power cube plus 1, that is y to the power cube psi of x by y. So from here you may write fxy is a homogeneous function of degree 3. Is it clear to all of you? So here I have given three clarification or three explanation in different types. Okay, so anyone you may use. Suppose if you ask my choice, so I automatically I will suggest you use this, because if you just your target, no need to consider, no need to memorize anything. Just you substitute all x by tx, all y by ty, then you take common power of t. Just you take common t from everywhere, just to check whether your function is coming or not, whether your function except t, after taking common t, whether it is coming fxy, yes or no. If it is coming, that means your function is homogeneous and with degree power of t. Okay, clear? Now please write down carefully. Now I'm giving another question to you. Another question. Clear? Shall I move to the next? Example number 1. Now next you write down. Next you write down example number 2. Suppose you have very simple fxy is equals to x square plus y cube by x minus y. Suppose you want to check it whether it is homogeneous or not. Okay, if it is homogeneous, find its degree. This is the question. Now you want to test it for this function, then what you do? Same process. So here f tx ty. Okay, so here you write down tx to the power square plus ty to the power cube by tx minus ty. So what is coming? T square x square minus plus tq y cube. Okay, and here tx minus ty. Now from the numerator, what is your common? T square is common, x square plus ty cube by t is common, x minus y. Now from here we may write t, but this is not in function form. Your function is x square plus y cube and x minus 1. But here you can see some extra t you have. Just you check extra t you have. So you are not in position to express this expression in fxy form. This is not your fxy. So one extra t is here. So you can't express in, is it fxy? No. So you can't express. Correct. So you write down the given function, the given function, the given function is not a homogeneous function. Is it clear to all of you? Because you are unable to express except t, because you need to take all t common, but here one t is extra is coming. Correct, here one t extra is coming, so that's why this function is not a homogeneous function. Is it clear to all of you? You can test it by using other method. It will be non-homogeneous. It will be non-homogeneous. Whatever the method already I have discussed, two different method. Two different method. Okay, two different method. Clear? But now let's see if I want to use, suppose you have a question in your mind, if I can use the same other method, another other two. Now let's see what will happen next. Same example by using type 2 method. Okay, now what you do, please write down f of xy is equals to, what you do, highest power of, what is your formula? Your formula is f x xy is equals to x to the power n psi of y by x. Correct. So in this, if you want to use this formula, so you need to take highest power of x term common. So here only in numerator only you have only one term, you need to common x square. So it is coming 1 plus y cube by x square, and here it is coming x common 1 minus 1 by x. So what is our target? Yeah, our target to express y by x type. So here you may write x. So from here you may write 1 plus y by x square, and y is extra, and from here you may write 1 minus y by x exactly. Now we can see our target to express all function, this area should be y by x type, y by x type. Correct. So but here one y is extra, it is not possible to express like this y by x function. So this can be expressed y by x, that is y by x to the power 0. So this term is also in y by x type. This also, but you can see one extra term you have. So you are not in position to express like this. So that's why the given function, the given function, the given function, the given function is not a homogeneous function. Clear? Is it clear to all of you? Same way you can test for other type 3 method, that is fxy is equals to y to the power n function of. Okay, so ultimately it will be non-homogeneous. Okay, is it clear? Okay, ultimately we are unable to express into this form. So here you can see one, this y is extra, here y is extra, that's why it is not a homogeneous, or it is a non-homogeneous function. Now switch to the next example. Now very important example I'm considering. So just to test it whether it is possible or not. Suppose you have u is equals to, suppose you have u is equals to sine inverse x cube plus y cube by root under x plus root under y. Suppose you have, okay, okay, suppose you want to test it whether it is homogeneous or not. Okay, first try to understand if you can check with the previous example that directly, because if we can check the formula, if y works, if y you need to take outside this one. So here what you have, here you have u equals to sine inverse that expression. Okay, so you take outside this one. So that how to do that is very simple. You write down sine u is equals to x cube plus y cube by root under x plus root under y. Clear? So you may consider is equals to f of xy. Clear? Which one is directly connected with x and y? So that is your fxy. Okay, so you are unable to connect. Are you getting a point? Directly. So that's why you need to remove from here. So that's why I'm writing sine u. So therefore you may write, therefore f of tx and ty is equals to tx to the power cube plus ty to the power cube by tx to the power 1 by 2 plus ty to the power 1 by 2. Already you know that root x is nothing but x to the power 1 by 2. Okay, now what is common here? It is coming t cube x cube plus t cube y cube by t to the power half x to the power half plus t to the power half y to the power half. Clear? So now you take common, t cube is common, so x cube plus y cube, and from here it is coming t to the power 1 by 2 and x to the power half plus y to the power half. Correct? Is it clear? So from here we may write t to the power 3 minus 1 by 2 function of xy. Is it clear? So ultimately it is coming t to the power 5 by 2 and fxy. Clear? So here this one as a function of xy, this one. Correct? So now we can see this equals to that. So please write down the conclusion. Therefore the function which one, u or sine u? No, not u, because sine u is a function of xy. Function fxy is equals to sine u is a homogeneous homogeneous function of degree how much? Clear? Clear? I think it is clear to all of you how to test it, whether it is homogeneous or not. Clear? Okay. Clear? Okay. I think just try to solve some question. Okay. Now I can give one numerical example. Please, homework you may consider. Homework. Okay. So number one, you tested whether this function is homogeneous or not. If xy is equals to x plus y by x to the power cube plus y to the power cube. Number two, in this problem your degree will be minus 2. Okay, and here if you can consider the second example, you should test it. U is equals to cos inverse x plus y by root under x plus root under y. So degree will be, in this case your degree will be half. Okay, degree will be half. You test it. Basically both are homogeneous function. And for first one, degree will be minus 2, and second one, degree will be half. You test it. Okay. Thank you, my dear student. Okay. So if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and please write some comments. If it is clear to you, if it is not clear, then also you write some comments. If it is clear to you, please write some comments. And if it is clear, you are getting some benefit from here, so please inform others also. Everyone should get some benefit. Okay. Thank you everyone. And next video I'll discuss Euler's theorem and related question. Okay. Thank you everyone.